Okay, so listen up first. Some students, right, they never see the square root, or sometimes they see it as a square. So please take note. So this is the square root. So if they wanted the x square, right, it will be called the square of x. So please take note. Okay, so for example, here, right, 5a is the square of x. I think some of you never see. Shakya never see this part, right? You put it as x. So this is supposed to be x squared. So square of x and square root of x is different. So in this case, right, y is directly proportional to this. So what does this mean? Okay, listen carefully first. That means your square root 1x. You are taking the square root of 1x. So what happens when x decreases? So x is going to decrease by 75%. That means x will decrease by 3/4 x. 75% is 75 over 100. So it's like your parents cutting your pocket money by 75%. So your parent is going to take away 3/4 of your current pocket money. So x is decreased by the 3/4 x. So after this, right, 1x actually becomes 1/4 x. Because so you think about x, 1x minus 3/4 x, you will get a 1/4 x. Okay, so this is, I think some of you stop at the 3/4 x and don't know how to continue. So when 1x becomes 1/4 x, right, the new y will be, instead of square root 1x, right, you are going to square root 1/4 x. Instead of taking square root on 1x, you're taking square root on 1/4 x. How do you square root 1/4 x? You square them separately. You square root them separately. So you will get a half. So it actually becomes half k root x. So this is your new y. This is your old y. If you want the percentage decrease, you use the new minus o divided by the o. New minus o. Yes, you can. Team, you can put 1/4 as 0.25. It's fine. So this is the percentage. I think somebody asked me this percentage thing. I can't remember who. Okay, so you put the new minus o divided by o times 100. And you factorize out this. You will see this is the common factor. Then you can cancel. Then you actually get minus 50%. So you actually get a minus 50%, but when you answer the question is asking for percentage decrease. So the percentage decrease is 50. So the negative is here. Okay, so you can do by this method. Okay, this is the generic method that I will always tell you. Find out what is the new x. From the new x, you get the new y. And then execute the percentage change. But this one is a bit tricky. They ask for percentage decrease. So you must answer them that the percentage decrease is 50%. If you say that, if you leave the answer as negative 50%, your teacher will minus mark. So if you leave your answer like this, right, your teacher will circle this because of the question. If the question asks for percentage change, If the question asks for percentage change in Y, then you can just say minus 50%. But now they are asking for percentage decrease. How is it half minus 1? This one is the common factor, Ethan. So I'm taking out a common factor. So like half K root X minus 1K root X. So you think of this as a common factor, you take out. Can see? So you factorize out like a common factor. So sometimes they will rephrase the question differently, but you stick by this method and answer them accordingly. If they change the phrasing of the question, right, we don't change the method. The method is actually quite generic.